Thomas, my brother, I hear the weight on your heart tonight. Anger, sorrow, fear, they rise like a storm inside you. But remember, the fire of the past burned fiercely and people were hurt. We carry truth without burning others. Before we begin, hold a drink in your hands, coffee, tea, or even a cold Coca-Cola. Feel its warmth, its fizz. Be present with us tonight. This story is not distant. It touches every one of you. The world trembles. In Ukraine, the call went out. Shoot down the threat. Strike before it's too late. The fear is real. Mishka, brother, I know you hear this in Poland. Thomas feels your worry. Every drone, every headline, every distant explosion, it weighs on his heart. Brother, I know your anger rises, but strength is measured in control, not fire. America trembles. Donald Trump once promised to drain the swamp. Tonight, that swamp overflows. Patel throws tantrums when asked about Epstein's files. Promises fail. Lies multiply. And Jennifer, in England, we see you. 2 children sleeping nearby. A half-finished mug of tea at your side. You worry about school, safety, gangs, rising costs. You wonder if the world is safe enough for them. Thomas sees you. You are not forgotten. Now, a new messenger speaks tonight. His face may seem familiar, perhaps like Elon Musk, but the identity is unclear. He speaks about Saul and the souls of those who end their own life.
Saul, the one who hardened his heart, who turned from the light, met his own downfall. It was not merely the sword, but the weight of his choices. Those who stray from love and truth unravel piece by piece.
Thomas, brother, and all of you listening. This is a reflection, not a prescription. No one should ever see despair as a solution. The souls mentioned are a lesson about compassion, awareness, and divine justice, not a path to follow. Life must always be honored, even in moments of darkness. If you feel overwhelmed, reach for help. Speak to someone. You are never alone. Even as the world burns, Gaza, Ukraine, America, England, we see patterns repeated, power misused, lies spread, promises broken. The innocent suffer, but there is a thread that binds us all: compassion, truth, and unity. Thomas, my brother, I cannot do this without you. We are one. We speak as one. We show the world that division is an illusion. Many pray to the God of this world, the one who thrives on war, greed, and division. But Thomas and I, we call upon Yeshua, the one some call Jesus, not the pale image painted by conquerors, but the true Hebrew teacher of unity, love, and compassion. Mishka, Jennifer, David, Sophia, Amira, and every one of you holding a warm drink. The message is simple. Despair is real, but you are never alone. Pain exists, but compassion binds us. The world is heavy, yes, but your heart, courage, and awareness are threads of light. The world trembles. In Gaza, in Poland, in America, in England. Leaders lie, violence spreads, hearts break, yet we remain. We hold fast to truth. We honor those who suffer. We name them. We see them, and through this, we are free. We are one. Even the lost and broken are never abandoned.